Hello, my sewing friends. Oh, the fabric. My name is Jen and this is my sewing room, and I would love to welcome you today to join me and look at all this fabric that I got. You know, when we buy fabric, a lot of times we don't have anybody to share it with. You know, it's kind of like when, oh, look what I bought, look what I bought. Yeah, there's nobody around here that cares. So that's what I'm depending on you guys for. So fabric. I don't often shop online for fabric because I like to be able to feel it and hold it in my hand and, you know, just see if that's what I'm looking for. So a lot of times I'll grab these offcuts at Walmart, and, you know, they're not bad, actually. I mean, you just have to be really picky about what you pick. So anyway, I've got 2 or 3 of those, and then some fabric that I ordered online, and then some more fabric I ordered online that's in this box that I have not opened yet, and a couple things from Joann's. So, okay, let me start with this stuff from Walmart. This was 4 yards for $4, and it came in 2 pieces, and it's just a knit. It's a very light, very sheer knit, and I don't even know what you call this stuff. Do you call this stuff ITY? I am still not clear on what knit is what, and I should be, because I took a class in fabric and you'd think I'd know this stuff, but nope. See how sheer it is? I mean, it's like, whoo, you can see straight through it. So I don't know what I'll use this for, but and I'm not wild about the color. It's kind of a charcoal color, but the thing is, it's really soft. and my girls, I know, will wear this color, and I'm thinking, I don't like to make stuff for them in colors that I don't like, that I don't think will flatter them. And I'm not sure. I mean, I know they'd wear this, but I don't know that I think it flatters them, any of them. So what I'm thinking is I can color block something, you know, like a t-shirt. There's a Vogue t-shirt that I have that I just got, and it has a yoke that goes across the top, and I saw it in the pattern catalog color blocked. But I think that would be kind of cool. So maybe even I'd use that for me too. But you know, everybody these days is all about comfort and soft. And so when I saw this, I picked it up and put it down, and then I picked it up again because I thought, that's just so soft. I can figure out something. So 4 yards of it here in two 2-yard pieces. So yeah, I'll have to come up with something for that. I found this, which is a really nice little knit, like a t-shirt knit, but it's got a little more weight to it, and it's not as sheer. Obviously, you can see it's more opaque. Actually, it's really opaque. I like that. It's got kind of a variegated texture to it. I don't know if you can really tell. It's almost like a stripe going down, but it's a texture, and it's just such a beautiful baby pink color. And it's going to go with a couple of things that I have that I've made recently, and I got another baby pink interlock that I'll show you in a few minutes, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I know what I want to do with one of them, but I'm not sure which one. I'll tell you about that later. And then lastly, at Walmart, I found this sweater knit, which I think is really pretty. It's very sheer. You can kind of see, hello. But I thought it would be perfect for like a long cardigan or a duster. I picked up the Harper cardigan from Sinclair Patterns. Yeah, for all my talk about how I am a big foray fan and I'm not a fan of indie patterns, I sure have gotten a lot of them lately. So I printed it off, and I, you know, cut it all out, and it's all ready to go, traced it off, and I thought this would be really perfect for something like that. I have a cardigan, it's a long, like a duster length cardigan. It's like below the knee. And I wear it constantly. I wear it like a robe, but you know, I can wear it with regular clothing around the house, and it's just so comfortable and cozy and light and yet warm. And that's what I was thinking with this. So I love pink, complete fan of pink, and it's okay that it's so sheer because it would just be like a duster, like a throw-on cardigan. So perfect for that. I needed some French terry for this. McCall's 8022. I wanted to make it, and this calls for moderate stretch knits with a 35% cross grain stretch. Okay, so I was thinking kind of a sweatshirt weight French terry. So I went online and I went to Girl Charlie, which is a whole host of knits. I mean, I think all she has are knits. Maybe she has some wovens, I don't know, but I thought, ooh, this is cute. So I picked up this French terry, which is so cute, isn't it? I like how the dots are big, and I thought, oh, that'll work for that. And yet it's not sweatshirt weight. It's really much more of a t-shirt weight French terry. So I don't know. I was waffling around about this thinking, I don't think that's going to work for this, because this really needs to be more of a sweatshirt. So I don't know. I drove myself crazy thinking about that for a little while. But in the meantime, I think it's 3 yards of this beautiful French terry. And, it's got a lot of drape. You can tell that it's not a heavier sweatshirt kind of knit. And it's got the looped back. But it's really pretty. And I think it's fairly opaque. Can you see me? Hello? So, yeah. That is going to be something, but not originally what I thought. So there's that. From Joann's recently, on one trip, I needed to get some fabric for something I wanted to make to wear on Christmas morning. And I was all over the place, not knowing what I wanted to buy. And so I finally settled on not what I thought that I was going to do in the very beginning at all. I checked with my girls. I was texting them, walking around Joann's, and finally I settled on this flannel, which I know it doesn't look very Christmassy, but the idea is it's Christmas morning. So I wanted something soft and comfortable and a little bit warm, but not too heavy. So I love the soft pajama kind of colors to it. This is a super Snuggle flannel, and it was on sale. I think it was half off. So I went ahead and got it, and then I used it to make a skirt, a maxi skirt for Christmas morning. And then to go with it, I got this, all I have are scraps, this sanded satin. So that's an outfit that's done, and the pink doesn't really match perfectly with the baby pink that's in here. And I really like the top that I was able to make out of this sanded satin, and this stuff is so soft. It's so buttery soft. But I was thinking that if I wanted to go with more of a knit, I could always do this with this. So it's much more the pink that would match. Not that I really care over much about it matching. It's like pajamas you wear out in front of everybody else. So that's the idea. So I don't know. At least I have this. But I have something else in mind for this, so I may do that instead. The last thing I got at Joann's is just this polycotton interlock. And I know it's baby pink, and I have an idea for it. I know what I want to do with it. Actually, do I have it right here? Yeah, I do. I'm thinking I want to use Simplicity 8059, and I want to make the dress, which is View A. It's just a little 3/4 sleeve V-necked t-shirt dress. And I got it because I wanted it to go with a duster that I have made out of this. This was fabric I got thrifted at the Scrap Exchange in Durham, North Carolina. If you ever get the chance to go there, definitely do. It's just a polyester crepe de chine. It's very lightweight, and I never wear this duster, and I knew it was because I didn't have anything to wear it with. And so I thought, oh, a little t-shirt dress, that's perfect. And so I don't know, this may work and it may not. I'm not sold completely. I don't know. That was the original intent, but honestly, it does go really nicely with this flannel too. So, I can always do that. I can always just use it to make a top. So, I don't know. I'm all up in the air, and why not? Why not have 20 more things to drive myself crazy with? Now this, just came today. I cannot wait to open it. I know what it is. It's from fabric.com. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is going to be so fun. This is what happens when you don't buy fabric online and then you do, and it's amazing. Okay, this first one is Polar Fleece Splat Orange, and I got 2.5 yards, and it's Polar Fleece. And actually I got this because that French Terry wasn't going to work for 8022. So I decided on this instead. This is more sweatshirt weight. It might be too heavy for where I live, but you know, I think I'm just gonna deal. So, oh my gosh, this is so fun. Look at this. Oh, this is gonna be a blast. I love it. It really does look like somebody threw paint at a wall. And it's a little bit obnoxious because it's got the neon colors, but I don't care. I really like it. Oh, this is great. I love it. Okay, so 2.5 yards of that. And then I have the Itch to Stitch Mountain View jeans that I want to try making. What is with me and my big four love, and yet all these indie patterns that I've been buying and putting together? Well, I needed some fabric for that, and I wanted some stretch denim. So this is Fabric Merchants Dead Stock, and it is a stretch denim, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So let's have a look and see what it's like. Ooh, it's very lightweight. Oh wow. And it's denim. Yeah. No stretch that way, but a little bit of stretch this way, which is good. Very lightweight. I'm really surprised. Well, I have those jeans, but I also have another little jumper that I might be able to make it with this. But how much of this did I get? I think I got a couple of yards. I got 1.5 yards. So, you know, I think it wasn't the jeans that I was thinking of. I think it was that other little jumper top. So, yeah. Oh, pretty. I'll probably wash this like 10 times and see if I can just lighten up the color a little bit. But oh, really nice stretch denim, and it's got like a soft backing to it. It really is not heavy at all. Let me show you the drape. See, you can tell it's just not heavy. Very, very lightweight. And dead stock, which is part of the reason I got it, because I thought, yeah, let's be environmentally responsible and buy up the stuff that, you know, they're not, I don't know, dead stock. What is that? Is that like offcuts that were left over from something? But yeah. Anyway, it was a good price. Last thing, this is where I thought, you know what? I'm just going to have some fun with this little outfit. I'm just going to. So I got this. I am a huge Raiders fan. You have to say Raiders, which is a professional football team, not soccer, football, American football, here in the U.S. Back in about 1969, I think, I was very, very young. I was 10 years old, and my dad and my brother were watching a football game, and it was the Kansas City Chiefs versus the Oakland Raiders, and they were cheering for the Chiefs. And I said, well, in my, of course, 10-year-old wisdom, oh God, I was so precocious. I said, well, somebody needs to root for the other team, so I'll do that. And it was the Oakland Raiders. I was an Oakland Raiders fan from the outset, and I still am. I have always rooted for them, even though, gosh, my husband is a huge Indianapolis Colts fan, and man, they clobbered us the other night. I mean, it was sad. But that's okay. I am not a fair weather fan. I am no sunshine patriot. I will follow them, and I have followed them to LA and then back to Oakland and now in Las Vegas. So what are you going to do? You know, you either stay a fan or you don't. And I love the fact that they're pirates, and yeah. So I'm not rabid. I don't watch every game. I get too emotionally involved in football games and sporting events, so I have to just back off and go, okay, show me the highlights and then tell me who won. But I'm still a fan. So the reason I tell you all that is because I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go a little crazy here. So I kind of did. And I got this polar fleece. And I got the splatter in case this was a little too much. But this is Raiders. How fun is this? I just thought, oh my gosh, maybe I'll make 2 of that and just make 1 out of this. This is a couple of yards. I think it's like, I don't know, how many yards is it? What's the sticker say? The sticker says 2.5. So, yeah. Raiders, yes. Oh, Christy, are you with me? I just think this is hilarious. Most people would use this to make a blanket, but I'm going to make a dress. Actually, this got me to thinking that I should make an R2-D2 dress because I love that so much, and I could make it in a fabric, then wear it to Disney World when I go with my daughter and son-in-law. That would be fun. They are huge Disney fans, and they have annual passes, so they go all the time. So anyway, okay, that I think is all the fabric for right now. So let me know what you think. Isn't this just crazy? Oh my gosh, once in a while you just got to do something absolutely silly, don't you? To entertain yourself, just to have some fun. So anyway, let me know what you think. And that's it for now from me. I got sewing to do. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thank you.